Good morning, everybody. Well, it could be morning, it could be evening, it could be in the middle of the night, but I am currently at Walmart. And yes, I am excited to share with you guys some digital couponing deals. It is Thursday, and that means the weekend warrior has popped up. I need 18 rebates for $5. Is that gonna happen? Probably not. Then there's that sweetheart thing where I needed 67 rebates for 10 bucks. I bought it. Like, seriously, like, I know it's a challenge, but I'm not gonna hit that. And most of you guys know I won't. But if you guys do have that, that is awesome. That is awesome. I only do it just by luck. Like, for a while there, I was always pushing these deals, but you know, it's just not worth it anymore. So I still have not received my money from shopping from last week. It is still pending. This group that I'm in, a lot of people are saying that Shopium is like super behind, and I don't know if it's because they're checking to see if you're using other rebates. Now, Ibotta is a totally different thing, but like with Shopium, Alexa, some of the couponing deals with Swag Bucks, My Points, and Inbox Dollars, those are all like sisters, okay? There's a lot of sister apps, and if you guys aren't sure what it is, it basically means like they're cousins, or sisters is what we call them. But they're basically where you can only do that app or the other. For a while there, Savings Star, if you guys are old school, Savings Star and Checkout 51 used to be the same way. Like, you would check one off, but then the other one would delete off the system. I don't like sister apps, but you know, it's just the way it is. We all adjust and everything, so I'm still waiting for that money. So we'll see. I know they might be overwhelmed, or they're just doing a lot of stuff because they're going to start cracking down on stuff. I don't know. But let's go inside and have some fun. I'm excited to see what we can find on clearance today. You never know. It's a hit or miss. My store is usually not that awesome with clearance. Like, they're always sold out. Stuff's just gone. But let's go inside and have some fun anyways. So here we have the Poise pads for $5.97. There's two scenarios that you can do. You can buy any of these for $5.97. You would pay that price, but then you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app with it is a limit of 3 for you, $2 back. And then you get 495 kicks with shop kicks, which is $1.98, making these just $1.99. Now, when I use the Shopium app, we do have a deal where you can get 5 off of 2. But when I scanned the moderate ones, the ones say they don't work, but the green ones do. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $5.97, pay $11.94. Submit your receipt to the Shopium app for 5 off of 2. Then you get the $2 back times 2 back with Ibotta, and then the 495 kick points from Shop Kicks, making both of these just 96 cents or 40 something cents each. Here we have the Secret spray for $6.97, and then the regular Secret deodorant for $5.97. Together you are going to buy 2 of them and pay $12.94. We currently have an Ibotta rebate where it's 5 off of 2, and then you get 510 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with the Shop Kicks, which is 510 points, which is $2.04 for the regular deodorant, and then you also get the same amount for the spray. So your grand total for both of these would be $3.86 or just $1.93. Considering it's more than 50% off, I still think that is a pretty great deal if you guys need some deodorant. Now, this is a deal I am not doing, but you could get the feed, or you could get one of the Old Spice sprays. There is a Ibotta rebate for 5 off of 3. Then you want to get one of these deodorants for $5.97. Then you're going to go ahead and grab one of these body washes for $6.97. Altogether, you would pay $19.91, but you would get 5 off of 3 with Ibotta, and then you would get 510 kicks, which is $2.04 for the Old Spice deodorant. You'd get one for this. You get 410 kicks for the spray, and then you also get 510 kicks, which is $2.04 for the body wash, making your final price for those $9.19. So it's like 3 something a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I am not doing that deal, but it's a pretty okay deal if you guys want to do that. So here we have the Axe deodorant. Now there's 2 different scenarios you can do. You can get 2 of them that are $4.97. Together you will pay $9.94. But we have a Shopium rebate where you get $4 off of 2, and then there's $4 off of 2 with Ibotta that does end soon. So together you'll get $8 back, making it just $1.94 or 97 cents. Or you could get one of the fine fragrance for $5.97. You could submit your receipt for the 4 off of 2, so it's one or the other. But then we actually have a $3 Ibotta rebate where you get $3 back with a limit 2, so you get $6 back, making this just $1.94 or 97 cents each. Now I have a Fetch Reward deal that does end today where I just need to spend $10.23 and I'll get an extra 3,000 points. So I'm actually going to do this one because it ends up becoming a moneymaker for me. So yes. So here's an easy freebie we got. We got just the plug-in for $3.98. There is a $4 Ibotta rebate, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. My store only has 1 left, so score. So here we have the Febreze spaces. If you guys can find any clearance scents, that would be awesome, but I'm actually going to get the strawberry and bramble because that's my favorite scent. But they are $3.24. You're going to buy 2 of them, you will pay $6.48. But then here we have an Ibotta rebate where you get $3.30 back when you purchase the 2. I'm getting the strawberry one because I use that for my bathroom, but it ends up becoming just to be $3.18 or just $1.59 each if you guys are using that. We all have the spray also. Like this one sounds pretty good. I might see if I can see what that smells like. It might get the small spaces of that, but check your end caps and check up above and see if you guys can find any of that stuff too. Okay, so we had to do this deal. I have so much of this stuff, but they have a new scent and I can't pass up a deal. So these are $3.94. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay just $7.88, but there's some new scents. We got the Gain, which has Apple Mango Tango, which smells delicious, and then we have the regular Gain scent. But there is an Ibotta rebate where you get $3.99 back when you purchase the 2. So you're going to purchase the 2 of them. You will end up getting them for just $3.89 or $1.94 each. And this, I say the Dawn Power Wash cleans so much more than just my dishes. I love it, and it is a game changer. So yes, I'm going to buy more because you can't go wrong with that. They got watermelon dish soap, you guys, I'm just saying. But anyways, we're gonna get the Palmolive. Now you can get the almond milk and blueberry scent. Otherwise you can get any of these ones. Just make sure you're checking the small print. But there is a swag bucks deal where if you get 2 of the bottles, you can get 200 points back, and then you get 75 cents back with Ibotta, but it is a limit of 1. So here's the scenario. You can buy 1 of them for $2.68. You would get 75 cents back with Ibotta, or you would get 75 cents back with swag bucks, making that just $1.18 a bottle, and that's over 50% off, which is a great price. Or you can buy 2 of them for $5.36. You would get $2 back with swag bucks, and then you would get 75 cents back with Ibotta, making this just $2.61 or $1.30. So it just depends on what sauce, what smell you guys want, and if you guys want 2 of them. But considering it's still $1.30, that is still more than 50% off. But I'm gonna try this almond blueberry scent one because it looks kind of cool. Okay, you guys, so this is something that's kind of fishy. So we have the Bounty Essentials. It's a 2-pack for $3.47. Right here, we get a $3 Ibotta rebate. Now, it does say a product of $25 or more, but when I scanned it, this popped up. I'm sorry, but it's not worth buying $25 for $3. But we're gonna buy this anyways and see what it does. But yeah, $3.47 and a $3 Ibotta rebate. Let's see what happens. I'm not doing this deal, but here we have the 12-pack of Charmin Essentials toilet paper for $10.97. Again, there is a $3 Ibotta rebate, but again, it says you have to spend $25 or more, but it does scan. So instead of being $10.97, it would be $7.97. That is just 66 cents a roll for toilet paper if you guys are interested. It is a pretty decent deal, but I just don't need any toilet paper. But yeah. Or you can get the Charmin Ultra Soft. This is a 6-pack for $7.97. Then you can use that $3 rebate. This ends up becoming just like $4.97. I'm debating if I should do this. $4.97. That's like 82 cents a roll. But I feel like this is a better deal for your tushy if you guys need some toilet paper. I don't know what I want to do. I can't pass up toilet paper, but I don't need any. So here we have avocados from Mexico for 78 cents each. So together you're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $1.56. My husband wants me to get avocados, and there is a swag bucks deal where you get $1.50 back when you purchase the 2. So you will end up getting these for just 6 cents or 3 cents each, which is still a great deal. Okay, so I am back from Walmart. Yes, so I got everything that I shared with you guys, but I ended up getting both Axe deodorants. Now, I did 2 separate transactions, and I did one with just Swagbucks items, and then I did one for Shopium items because I didn't want to confuse it, because you cannot use both of those coupons for the same like item technically. So I ended up doing 2 separate transactions where I ended up buying the $4.97 Axe on one transaction, and then I bought the $5.96 Axe on the other transactions. Now, I did make a mistake with the Fetch Rewards thing. It's for shampoo and conditioner, not deodorant. So I'm like, wait, why didn't I get my points? And then I went back and read it. So, but still, it's still a good deal, even for being 97 cents. That's still a great deal anyways. So I'm gonna try to edit that out. If you guys caught it, you caught it. But anyways, my total came to $72.81. My store did have a couple 90% Valentine's Day stuff, except my kids are not little anymore, so I don't need the baby clothes anymore. They had like ceramic mailboxes, but I just bought one last week, and then the rest of them, like my kids' schools, they don't do Valentine's. They stopped doing any kind of that stuff, so it's like I really don't need any of that stuff anymore because my kids don't do it. But it is good for like birthday gifts. If you guys need like goodies for birthdays, that's definitely a great time to buy Valentine's Day stuff. But sorry, but my total came to $72.81. I did not get any of the Charmin, but I did get the Bounty, and I did also get the money for the Bounty. It scans, so it works. Like I said, I just didn't need any of the Charmin, because I have a whole entire closet full. My husband, if you guys watch my Walgreens videos, my husband one day asked me, he's like, are we ever gonna run out of paper towels or toilet paper? Like, it was like a serious question, and I'm like, are you serious? Because sometimes I have more stock than the store does. I have like a little steps underneath in my basement, underneath my steps, and it's where we keep our Christmas tree, and we keep like all my childhood toys and just random stuff. But it's filled to the brim with toilet paper and paper towels because we use those all the time, and they never get old as long as you keep them in a dry spot. So I'm like, seriously. But I'm going to tell you guys again, my total was $72.81. With Ibotta, I did receive $34.04 back. I did only get, how many rebates did I get? I did get 12 out of 18. 12 out of 18, and I did redeem a gift card, so I guess I got 11 out of 18. So I only need 4 more, so maybe I can hit it before this weekend, or I'm gonna definitely try to hit it for Walgreens on Sunday. So we got that, and then like I said, I have 18 out of 67 for the sweetheart bonus. No, that's not gonna happen. I mean, it's a cute bonus, but no, not gonna happen. Shopium. Really? I got my money back already for the Shopium. I got it back already for the day. For what I purchased, I already got it back, okay? But I am still waiting for my haul from last week. I got my money today. but I'm still waiting for my haul from last week. Come on, Shopium, let's get it together. Shopkick, I did receive 1,565 points, which is $6.26. I was scanning a bunch of the items on the app, trying to debate if I want to do it. So even if you guys aren't buying the product, make sure you are scanning. Like, that's what I should be doing anyways, is just scan away. Those are free points. Those are free points. So just scan it anyways, because that's what Shopkick used to be, where you could only scan items and you couldn't even purchase them. So just giving you guys a heads up, $6.26 I got from Shopkick. Swagbucks, I did receive $6.25. That was for the one of the axes and then the avocados from Mexico, and then I bought one of the Palmolive. Fetch rewards, I did 2 receipts, so I got 50 points for that, which is only 5 cents. If you guys think about it, it's only 5 cents. Not much. But my grand total came to $17.21. I ended up getting 17 items at just $1.02 each, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, considering what was my most expensive item. The poise was $5.97. The secret was $5.97 and $6.97, along with the axe was $5.97. So $17.21 for 17 items. I think that's a pretty good deal. I think it is a pretty good deal. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Walmart Ibotta haul and all these other apps, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. You help the channel by giving this video a great big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I would love to hit 70,000 subscribers for the year of 2024, and you guys can make that happen by just giving that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It is absolutely free, and all you have to do is just follow the deals. If you guys want to save money or save other stuff, I got a lot of stuff that I love to do, including taste tests, book stuff, all crafty, and I love to save money anyway here and there, and I like to share with you guys because not everybody just does couponing. We have other hobbies, you know. But again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next week for hopefully another Walmart Ibotta haul. Hopefully the rebates are getting a little bit better. I know they kind of died down around this time because everybody's just like, eh. But hopefully they pick up again. Hopefully they pick up again. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later, and bye-bye.